Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we can see that gold is still trading inside the range. So we have not much to discuss right now because we have discussed everything in detail on Saturday, and whatever we discuss on Saturday are still very much valid. If you look at a daily chart of gold, then we can see that gold is from a doji right now, and market is still in indecision. Gold is still standing at the near a record high. Okay, so God knows when the trend reversal will come. But without any news, we can just expect at least a good correction should come, because no market goes up in a straight line or goes down in a straight line. There should be some correction. And we don't have direct contact with God, so we don't know the exact time yet. So till then, we need to follow the chart only. And right now we can see overall trend of the market is still bullish. There is no doubt about it. But at this moment, gold seems to be sideways. Gold seems to be waiting. We can see gold prices retreat as traders lock in profits. US data in focus. Gold hovers near record high. So the market sentiment has not changed as well. So there is no big news, okay, that may bring trend reversal. So we can expect the present market sentiment will be dominating. It means that overall the market will be bullish, but yes, at some point there can be some technical corrections, and corrections are temporary. Okay. This is the Forex sentiment meter. The sentiment meter tells us about the position of the retail traders. And my dear friends, this is our beloved goal here. We can see that there is not much difference between the buyers and sellers. So more or less, okay, the retail traders are also confused regarding the next direction of the market. We can see 58% are on the short side and 42% are on the buy side. And if you look at the contracts data here, the options chain, we still have good number of contracts standing at 3000 level. So if market goes up also, okay, the road is not going to be easy one. So when the month started, okay, it seemed like gold will be breaking 3000, gold will be heading towards 3150, 3200. But at this moment we can see that if gold goes up also, okay, then the weekly target should be, okay, 3000, or you can expect it should be below 3000, around 2990, 2985, or we can say in simple words that 3000 is the limit if gold goes up. And the trading opportunities are still the same from Saturday. For example, our support around 291617 worked perfectly on Friday. And today we can see that there's not much volume in the market. So before the US session, if market comes down, we can expect 2916 or 17 to provide support to the market again. But as we have already discussed on Saturday also, it was a good support on Friday, but as of now, okay, it is a weak support. If the volume of the market is low, then only we can expect this to work. Otherwise, our next support is, remember number, yes, 290705. This is our main support. And in case it doesn't work, then we can look for the support around 2893 to 888. Then obviously 2877, 2875 is also there. And we are looking for 290705 because of FEB 61.8% retracement level, plus the previous resistance will be working as support. 289388 because of previous support and FIBO. So in this situation, if market comes down also, we can expect that market will just be choppy. Market will just be going down for some profit booking, and we can expect a good bounce. And if volume is low, we can obviously expect this to provide support to the market. Okay, so nothing new here. Okay, if market comes down, but keep in mind no level is permanent. Okay, in case US session surprises every one of us with heavy selling pressure, then just use your common sense. Okay, don't make the mistake of buying blindly. No level is permanent in the market. We need to protect our capital. Okay, and on the other hand, if market goes up, okay, then obviously we can look for a buy above 2957. But at this moment, market going above 2957 seems to be little slim. Okay, chances are little less. And remember, we also discussed a risky trading opportunity on Saturday. Yeah, that is still valid. If you're a scalper, if you're an experienced trader, then you can also look for a sell. Okay, sell for 30-40 pips around 2955 or 295048. Okay, if you want to take risk. Personally, I'm not going to take because I do not like to go against the trend of the market. So if you are a beginner, new trader, if you're in a very tight spot, cannot lose any money right now, then obviously you should also avoid selling positions in a bullish market. Clear? If you are an experienced trader, scalper, then you can look for a sale around this area because I think okay, the choppiness in the market will continue. For the last couple of weeks, we saw a clean bullish market. But right now, chances of getting a clean bullish market is less because so far the safe haven demand of gold was dominating the market. Market was thinking that okay, because of the trade war, okay, things might go crazy, but we know it very well that market has a very good digestion capacity. So slowly, market is digesting the trade war threat. Okay, so sooner or later, market will stop responding, just like it did for the Israel. Or the Middle East crisis or the Russia-Ukraine war. Okay, so here also we will see that after a couple of days, okay, there will be no response from the market, especially gold, regarding the trade war trade. And this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us. So the opportunities that we discuss, like taking a buy around 291617 if market is slow, taking a buy around 290705. Okay, those are medium reliable trades. Okay, and the trading opportunities on 50 minutes time frame are not very reliable, but still okay, some are day traders, they want some mm, more number of trades. Okay, so if you are also looking at the lower time frame, okay, then you can look for a buy above this area around 2944. Okay, but it is a high risk. So personally, okay, I will not suggest to the beginners or the new traders. Okay, you should only stick to the higher time frame because see, sometimes we forget that our goal is to make money, not to take too many trades. So you should focus on quality, not quantity. Okay. So let's wait and watch. Okay, right now we do not have any direction in the market as a day trader. Okay, but overall the trend of the market is still bullish. Obviously, at one point market will come for correction or market will go for reversal, but we don't have the confirmation yet. So sitting in a sell position expecting a reversal right now, okay, it can be a foolish decision. Please be careful, okay, and keep your eyes open because if a fall comes, a correction comes, it can be a big one. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.